Hey everyone, this is Martin from the Open Press project. Today I want to show you this art installation that we came up with for the day of printmaking in Germany in March 2022. It's a ropeway for small works of art and was set up at Kölner Graphikwerkstatt, a local printmaking workshop here in Cologne. It was quite a challenge to make this work actually, mostly because I had never come up with something this large scale. Usually the things I design are quite tiny, so it was an interesting challenge to make this consist of smaller components and have them work together reliably. A steel cable is transported around the room and held up by small wheel arrangements. Around 40 hooks are attached to the 25-meter long cable loop with magnets and can move the small prints around corners. Because COVID numbers were still high at that time, we wanted to have them move past the window as well, so that people can watch from outside, and we placed a large magnifying glass and lights in the middle as well, to properly present them one after another. Over the course of 4 weeks, people from seminars at Kölner Graphikwerkstatt created blue and yellow colored prints for the installation in solidarity with Ukraine, as this was right after Russia started to attack the Ukraine. The main mechanic of the ropeway is to make the hooks jump onto another section of the cable at the corners, so that we can wrap the cable around the wheels and keep it from derailing. This concept drove most of the design decisions and was quite interesting to figure out. If I'd set this up again though, I would probably change a few things, like increase the diameter of the rope a bit, to keep it from breaking where the two ends of the rope connect. I tried to splice them together like you would with a regularly sized ropeway, but failed spectacularly. I reached out to tons of rope makers, but decided to silver solder it in the end, as a professionally made loop would have been really expensive and taken too long to make. I'd love to hear what you think. Some people have already expressed their interest in making one of these, so let me know if anyone wants to give it a try. It would be really cool to see them somewhere else. But it would also need quite a bit of work to make it easier to build one of these. So let me know. Thank you for watching.